Commerce is one of your subjects. This video will show you the topics that will come out. This is more like I'll show you those particular topics that is in the syllabus that WAEC release, from which they will set the questions of this year. So just follow me. Like you may already know, commerce we have two papers, OBJ, that is objective, and the theory. So paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 OBJ, 50 compulsory multiple choice question. Then paper 2 will be 2.5 hours consisting of 10 essay type questions, of which you are expected to answer any 5. Now, here are the topics that WAEC will choose the questions from. Number 1 is Introduction to Commerce, meaning, scopes and function of commerce, history of commerce. Another topic that will come out is occupation. Occupation as a topic, both types of occupation, direct and indirect services, and all the rest. It will come out. Remember, as I'm talking now, you may not get everything very well. But if you want me to send you this syllabus, if you want me to send it privately to you so that you can look at it very well, or if you want me to send you past questions on commerce, or if you want us to send you timetables on commerce, if you want us to guide you in any way concerning WAEC NECO JAMB exam, there are just 3 things you need to do. Like this video, just boop the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel right now, share this video, then come under this video and say I have subscribed. Just like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel Noble Tutorials, then come under this video and say I have subscribed. Once we get the message saying I have subscribed, we will chat you up and begin to guide you and send you all the materials you need. Okay, another topic is production. Both have definition of production, factors of production, that is land, labor, capital, entrepreneurship, and primary, secondary, and tertiary production, interrelationship between production and exchange. So read up these things. Another area to read up is business units, both sole proprietorship, partnership, private, public and private limited companies, public enterprises, and all the rest. So read them up. Another topic that will come out in commerce is business capital and profit. Business capital and profit will come out. Another one that will come out is trade associations. Aims and functions of trade associations, chambers of commerce, employee association, consumer association, manufacturers association, aims and functions, and all the rest. Another topic is trade. This one is always coming out every year. Purpose and branches of trade, home trade and foreign trade. Just read these things. Home trade, under it, you just need to know retail trade, everything about retail trade, everything about wholesale trade, everything about wholesale warehousing, anything about forces making for the elimination and survival of middleman, channels of distribution, both producer to wholesaler to retailer to consumer, factors for the choice of the channel. Another topic to focus on is foreign trade. Foreign trade will also come out. That is when you talk about things like export, import, and entreport. Barriers to foreign trade, functions of port authority. So read up these things. Another topic that will come out is purchase and sale of goods. What are the procedures and documents in purchase and sale of goods? Terms of trade. So just read up trade discounts, cash discounts, and all the calculations involved. Quantity discount, COD, CIF, FOB, E and OE. Terms of payment, cash, hire purchase and deferred payment. Means of payment, legal tender, check, standing order, bank draft, stamps, postal order, money order, bills of exchange, and promissory notes. Okay, let's remember, I can send you all the materials you need, both this material, this syllabus, and syllabus of other subjects, including for NECO, syllabus for WAEC. I can also send you past questions. We can also guide you in your exam. And if you want to join our online study group on WhatsApp, what you need to do is like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel right now, and then come under this video and tell me I have subscribed. Remember to also share this video copy the link and post on all the WhatsApp group for candidates writing the exam. Another topic to focus on is finance and financial institutions. Under it, study money, meaning, forms, qualities and functions of money. Study banks, both central bank, commercial bank, other specialized banks and their features. Types of accounts, current savings fees. They will just ask you these things. Study insurance, types of insurance, stock exchange, credit union and thrift societies. These things are things that will come out. Okay, study transport and communication. Transport and communication. Just get to your commerce textbook, look up these topics I am mentioning, because WAEC has said in the syllabus that these are the topics they will get out the questions from. Then study introduction to marketing, both meaning marketing, everything about marketing, importance, functions, marketing concept, marketing mix, the 4 P's of marketing mix, market segmentation, consumer sovereignty, and all the rest. Study advertising, study public relations and customer service, study sales promotion, study personal selling. Okay, now another topic to study is legal aspect of business. Okay, legal issues, areas of law that relate to business, both contract, agency, and all the rest. Just study this. Study consumer protection, very important. Need for consumer protection, means of consumer protection, government legislation, and all the rest. Another topic that is very, very important is nationalism and indigenization, the vesture, meaning and aims, advantages and disadvantages. Just study these things. Then another topic, which will be the last topic, is you need to study economic groupings. Economic groupings. ECOWAS. The ones that WAEC will focus on for this year is ECOWAS, Niger Basin Commission (NBC), Lake Chad Basin Commission (LCBC). LCBC is Lake Chad Basin Commission, Mano River Union, European Economic Community, African, Caribbean and Pacific, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, International Monetary Fund, United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, objectives and obstacles of each of these organizations. Remember to find out these topics in your commerce textbook. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and come under the comment and tell me I have subscribed. Once you do that, we'll begin a relationship with you that will help you to pass your WAEC NECO JAM. If you also want to join our online study group, just also let us know immediately. Thank you so much and good luck.